like this. Tadeo is the first one. Go, Tadeo. Number
5.
5. What is the 5? Okay. Can you read it?
There is a pink book.
Very good. There is a pink book. Very good. Danilo, your turn. What number? 6. 6. Number 1. I
have
want
5.
5. Very good. Again. I
have 1 5.
Very good. That's number
5.
5. Number
There are 3 books on my table.
Very good. Go, Tadeo.
Okay, on this activity, we are going to use a dice and we are going to make several sentences referring to the grammar that we're working in that moment. In this case, I'm working there is and there are with vocabulary of toys.
Okay, you're gonna roll the dice, and the number that you have in the dice, you're gonna read all the sentence from that number. Okay, roll the dice, Tadeo. Roll the dice. Number?
2.
Okay, read all the sentence from number 2.
Dante and Danilo Dana and Tadeo have
Many
colors. I have a pencil case. She has a lunchbox. Carlos has a stapler.
stapler. Very good, Tadeo. Good job.